In this video, I will show you how to navigate the Match.com app so you can start finding meaningful connections today. First, download the app and create your account. You will be asked to provide basic details like your age and location along with what you are looking for in a partner. Take your time with the personality quiz because the algorithm uses these answers to find compatible matches. Once your profile is set up, it is time to add photos. Choose clear pictures where your face is visible and include at least one full body shot to give people a genuine look at who you are. After your profile is ready, you can start browsing through the Discover tab. Here, you will see daily pics tailored to your preferences. If you see someone you like, you can send a like or even a direct message if you have a premium subscription. Messaging is where the magic happens, so try to mention something specific from their profile to stand out from the crowd. You should also check out the search filters to narrow down your options by interests or lifestyle habits. Remember to stay active and update your profile occasionally to keep things fresh. Match.com is designed for people seeking serious relationships, so be honest and patient throughout the process.